I'm Zach Lucas, District Manager with BigIron Auctions here, talking with Gary McMullen about his upcoming equipment reduction sale that we are having in Sedalia, Missouri, October 25th. Gary is the president and owner of W&M Welding. Gary, can you give us a brief history of the company?
Well, it's a 60-year-old company. We focused on steel fabrication and erection and construction services. Okay. Crane service naturally falls right in line with all of that. And just general repair maintenance on farm equipment, industrial plants, you name it. Okay. As a welding service company. Behind
us here, using our backdrop, we've got four basically matching Volvo semis.
I bought all four of them as a set when I bought the 240-ton crane. They're dedicated to that crane. As a service company, we don't do over-the-road trucking. We don't truck for hire. All they've done is haul. They've supported that crane. Where the crane went, they went. Crane come home, they come home. That's all we use them for.
Behind us here, a notable item on the sale, I guess we'll say, we have a set of Bainer grain bin jacks. Gary, can you tell us a little about them?
Well, in the grain bin world, hydraulic jacks is a ticket. You know, back in the day, you had the old cable jacks, and they were flimsy, and this is kind of like the Cadillac of the system. And then naturally, as time evolves, it's seasonal work. In my area, it's hard to find seasonal help. I sub that out to a jacking crew now. I'm still a dealer. We still sell tons of bins. But I find myself jacking less and less bins, so it's another item. Yep. Not using it, needs to go.
So Gary, behind us here is probably your most notable piece on this entire sale. Grove GMK 5240 all-terrain crane. Obviously it's big and heavy, but what else can you tell me about it?
Well, it's been nothing but a rock-solid machine. I bought it specifically for the Missouri Bridge and Road and Bridge program that they had at the time to go to work with one of my other machines. Big ticket item, part of that stimulus deal back in Obama days. Yep. And it's been a heck of an asset since. We've used it for a lot of jobs. It's just solid. It's certified. It still goes on the job every other day or every day. You never know what the schedule's going to be. Yep. It's got the two inserts with it. It's got a boom dolly. It's just solid. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It's a certified crane.
On this sale, we are doing an open house. That'll be October 18th, which is the Wednesday before the sale. We'll have a light lunch provided by BigIron, and come out, check out the equipment, come see what Gary has to offer here. There's a wide variety and a little bit of something for everybody.